Yes, indeed. So for today's review, I think we'll do this one. So I'll get it open and get back to you. Yes, indeed. Set of air horns.